there a way to transfer or gift a French property in order to avoid inheritance tax?
Yes and no. There are a lot of different options. So you could look at it's possible to do a donation, which in the UK we have a kind of a 7-year rule that says if you gift assets and don't benefit from them and you survive 7 years, then it doesn't trigger inheritance tax on those assets. There's a similar setup in France, but it's a 15-year rule. So it's a longer period of time. There are other ways of mitigating tax liabilities as well. So one very popular structure that we use in France is an usufruit, which is a life interest. And what sometimes people decide to do is they give the usufruit to the third party, whoever they want to give it to. So they give the noid propriété, which is what we call in trust terms in the UK a remainder interest, and they retain the usufruit, and then when they pass away, the share that they've given automatically passes to the bare owner, as they call it in France. So and there are tax benefits of doing that. There are reduced tax liabilities as well. So those are just some of the options. There are other things that you really need to consider, and particularly when buying property, you really need to understand what the structures are, the legal structures that you've known the property in,